How to log into Hilton Employee Account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be talking about logging into or accessing the Hilton Employee Account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open any of the web browser on your computer or your mobile device, and then after you type in lobby.hilton.com in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. And then proceed by clicking on the link. And upon the page loading, you will encounter a familiar interface. Input your Hilton Honors account credentials like user ID and the password. First of all, you have to enter your user ID in the first field and then click on enter and followed by the correct form of your password. And after that, click on enter button to access your account. And in the case if you have forgotten your login details, utilize the forgot password option in order to successfully retry or reset your password. And if you're a new user, simply go ahead and click on the new users link for the more information. And if you'd like to modify the access, you can also go to this link and do so. And if you encounter any difficulties signing in or accessing your Hilton employee account, reach out to the Hilton Honors customer service team for the support. So that concludes today's tutorial. We trust that you found this video beneficial. Remember to like and subscribe for more informative content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.